Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the platform and version because spawn conditions change. Make sure you meet base requirements. Next, collect 100 coins, 1 bamboo seed, and 2 energy units. These are consumed when you attempt the summon. Once done, unlock area by finishing the level 3 main quest. This opens the habitat where Monkey Panda appears. Follow these steps now to avoid wasted attempts and save your resources for the higher yield opportunities coming next. Once you enter area during the daytime window, position yourself at the grove interactable and plant the bamboo seed. You pay 50 coins to trigger the attract cycle. While it animates, prepare for a 3-wave encounter because the spawn requires you to survive those challenges. Make sure to keep your team above 60% health using potions or heals so you don't reset the cycle. Doing this increases spawn probability and reduces resource loss. When Monkey Panda, after clearing the waves, loot everything and open the grove chest. You're looking for the Monkey Panda token as the final drop. Once you have 1 token, go to the NPC handler and exchange the token plus 20 coins to finalize the acquisition. This converts the token into the companion. If the spawn fails or you get no token, wait 30 minutes, leave and re-enter the area to reset spawns, then repeat the grove ritual. This troubleshooting reduces wasted attempts and preserves resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.